Looking to cleanse your liver naturally? Look no further. In this video, we've got the perfect recipe to help you detoxify your liver in just 3 days. Whether you've been indulging in too much alcohol or unhealthy foods lately, this drink is the solution you need. Save this recipe now so you can use it whenever you need a detox boost. To start, you'll need a piece of ginger. Peel it and cut it into small pieces. Then, grab a saucepan and pour in a liter of milk. Add the ginger to the milk and heat it over low heat for 10 minutes. Once heated, strain the mixture using a strainer. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir well evenly. Drink a large glass of this liver cleansing drink every morning on an empty stomach, and you'll notice your liver naturally detoxifying within just 3 days. Repeat this process whenever needed, and your liver will thank you for it. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to check out our profile for more natural remedies. And please leave a comment yes for more content like this and let us know which recipe you'd like to see next.